In this video, I am going to teach you how to get Salesforce Authenticator QR code. So if you haven't heard of Salesforce Authenticator yet, it's available on your Google Play Store as well as your App Store. So you can head over and install this particular application on your phone, and you should be able to see in here their benefits for your actual accounts. As you have noticed, you can use it for Salesforce, for Facebook, for GitHub, as well as for LastPass, as well as other accounts that actually supports this. So on this case, what you can do is you can just head over and click onto this add an account option. So if you do not have an account yet on Salesforce, by the way, you can head over to salesforce.com, and then from there click onto this try for free option, since Salesforce is actually connected to a lot of their applications, just like Meta to Business, Instagram, and WhatsApp. So from in there, head over and then register. So in order to register your Salesforce Authenticator as an identity verification method for your organizations as well as for your actual all of your accounts, what you can do is you first need to head over and download and install it. On your Salesforce, open your personal settings and then go to advanced user details and look for the quick find or navigation. So in order to register this, you need to find the Salesforce Authenticator and click on connect, and then you should be able to see there the QR code. So make sure to screenshot that and then use your phone in order to actually scan that particular QR code. You may be prompted to log into your account again and enter a passcode via email or text message bound to your account. Now just tap on yes in order to successfully connect your account, and it should be able to appear right here. You can add more account if you would want as well. So that's how you get Salesforce Authenticator QR code. Hope we help.